Hello, in this video I will explain the EU Net Zero Industry Act, also known as NZIA. The Net Zero Industry Act is a European regulation designed to strengthen the EU manufacturing capacity for clean technologies. It supports technologies that are essential for decarbonization, include solar, wind batteries, heat pumps, electrolysers, grid technologies, carbon capture and other net zero solutions. Its main goal is to make Europe more competitive and less dependent on external suppliers for the technologies needed to reach climate neutrality. The Act aims to EU manufacturing capacity for strategic net zero technologies to approach or reach at least 40% of annual deployment needs by 2030. The regulation focuses on improving investment conditions, accelerating permitting, supporting strategic net zero projects, strengthening skills, and improving access to public procurement and clean technology markets. For businesses, the NZIA matters because it can shape investment decisions, manufacturing opportunities, project development, supply chains, and access to public support. It is especially relevant for clean technology manufacturers, energy developers, industrial companies, investors, and regional authorities. The Act is not only about climate policy, it is also about industrial competitiveness, energy security, and building a strong European clean technology base. Overall, the EU Net Zero Industry Act is a major step in linking climate ambition with industrial policy. It aims to help Europe scale the technologies needed for decarbonization while creating more resilient, competitive, and future-ready clean energy supply chains.